Hi, welcome to my garden. Today we're going to be planting peonies. I've got a couple in here already. This is Coral Charm. I don't remember what that one is over there, but there's a couple more over there. But today we're going to be planting avalanche. The number one thing with planting peonies is to make sure that they get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, just like the roses. So I've got mine planted here next to some of my roses, Queen of Sweden back there. So the way to plant a peony is we're going to dig a hole 12 to 18 inches deep. And I want to make sure that I amend it with just a little bit of granular fertilizer. So today I'm using Heirloom's Boost and Bloom and just adding a wee bit of granular fertilizer to the bottom and mixing that in with some of our living soil, because a peony, you want to keep it a little closer to the surface, only going about 2 to 3 inches deep. So I'm going to mix that all in really well, take my peony tuber out, and it's going to kind of look something like this. They come in all shapes and sizes, but you should know you have a visible eye on them. This is the old stock where it was before, and so I'm going to plant it just a little bit under the soil surface, pack it in with that living soil. I like to put a pot near it and stake it down so I don't forget where I planted it and accidentally plant something over top of it. There you go. We're going to give her a good drink. Make sure I put a stake here so I know where Avalanche is, and we'll see her next season.